If affiliate marketing feels overcomplicated, it's usually because too many tools are involved. In this video, I'll show you a realistic 1-hour setup that actually runs automatically using just one tool. While that dream is real, the way most people teach it is totally broken. They tell you to glue together a dozen different tools, follow some super complicated blueprint, and then wonder why you're stuck, overwhelmed, and not making a single dollar. It's a mess. Most beginners get lost in this tech tangle before they even get started. They're paying for 5 different subscriptions, watching conflicting tutorials, and just feeling completely defeated. The truth is, it doesn't have to be that complicated. So let's redefine what set it and forget it actually means for a beginner. It doesn't mean pushing a magic button and having money appear. It means building one simple, streamlined system that once you set it up, runs on its own. A system that works for you 24/7, bringing in potential commissions without you manually doing everything. It's about smart automation, not magic. And the best part? You can build this entire system in about an hour using just one tool for free. Let's break down the structure of this super simple funnel. Forget those crazy diagrams with a million steps. All you need are 3 core components. First, one simple landing page. Its only job is to capture an email address. That's it. Second, a short email sequence. We're talking 3 to 5 emails that automatically go out to everyone who signs up. These emails build a little trust and then point people to the affiliate offer. And third, one affiliate offer. Just one. Pick a great product you believe in, and that's what you'll promote. That's the entire blueprint. One page, a few emails, one offer. Simple, right? Now for the fun part, the build. This is where everyone gets stuck, but it's about to get incredibly easy. You can build all 3 parts of this funnel in one place using a tool called Kit. I put a link to it in the description. First, the landing page. Inside Kit, you can use a simple drag-and-drop builder to create your page in minutes. No coding, no design skills needed. Just write a compelling headline, a few bullet points about what they'll get for signing up, and add a form. Done. Next, the email sequence. Right inside the same tool, you can write out your emails. Your first email delivers the freebie or whatever you promised on the landing page. The next few emails can share some helpful tips related to your offer, and then gently introduce the affiliate product you're promoting. You write them once, and they're ready to go forever. You can literally set up your entire follow-up sequence in about 30 minutes. Finally, the automation. This is the set it and forget it magic. With Kit, you create a simple rule. You just tell it, when someone signs up on my landing page, automatically start sending them my email sequence. You set this up with a few clicks. There's no complex software integration, no tech headaches. From that moment on, every single person who gives you their email will automatically start receiving your pre-written messages, which guide them toward your affiliate link. The whole system runs on autopilot. You could be asleep, on vacation, or working on your next project, and this funnel will be working for you in the background. So let's recap. This isn't some pie-in-the-sky fantasy. This is a real, tangible, automated affiliate funnel you can build in about an hour. It's low-tech because you only need one tool. It's low-risk because you can start for free. And it's perfect for beginners because it cuts out all the noise and complexity. You don't need to be a marketing genius or a tech wizard to make this work. You just need a simple, proven system. If you're tired of the hype and just want a straightforward path to getting your first affiliate funnel up and running, this is it. I've put a link down in the description where you can try Kit completely for free and build this exact funnel for yourself. Go check it out, see how easy it is, and finally get that automated system working for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple marketing strategies.